Should I ground my driving? Even when you tell me keep going, I don't know what to aim for, where this road might lead. Things feel heavy and my hands won't match my heart. Is this natural? Is this the way? Not sure what matters, not sure what to chase. Is this natural? Is this the way? Casting shadows on the road I'm meant to take. Sometimes a fleeting glance reveals a painful truth. Not everything seems clear, not everything is real. Could this be the way life starts to tilt away? Or a rhythm that's meant to learn how to bend? I pause and listen, maybe the map appears. Or maybe it's just the weather in my chest. Should I pull away or hold on to what's unknown? If the goal remains unseen, should I just let it rest? Is this natural? Is this the way? Not sure what matters, not sure what to chase. Is this natural? Is this the way? Casting shadows on the road I'm meant to take. Teach me to name what I believe in, even if it changes. Teach me to seek what's true in the quiet of a moment. Even if the past stays blurred, I'll walk with you, uncertain yet honest, toward whatever dawn dares to break.